Now let's show the data, and let's comment its diagram command. So we have a data from database in our now array data zones, and we will return this array data, return a view, and view auth. Under auth I will create a new zones file, and we will pass our data like this data, and we will close this statement. Okay, control this, sorry, close this, and come to our views, resources, views, auth, and under auth we will create a new file, control S, and we will set zones dot play dot php. Save it, and here we will use our check if there is a data, if auth count, and count will be our zones variable that have a collection zones. If it greater than 0, remember that uh, sorry, this variable data zones, so we are returning to our view zones. So if and if, and we will iterate option, and we will say choose state, and the value will be null. Okay, after that we will iterate using for each, and here we will say zones as variable zone, and we create an option, and its value we will use a bit syntax, and the zone will be name of the zone, and where is the name of the zone, country zone, this is code and this is name. Okay, and also we will need show the id of the zone and id, sorry, use blade syntax, zone id, and we have to close our for each and for each, save it, come to our register, in our register. So here we are showing choose value. So let's close or comment this, because we have in our view choose state, and after that we are iterating the value. Now come to browser, close this inspection, refresh the page, and let's choose our country. See, we have a list of states by using AJAX request. Choose another country, and it will have, if I choose India, where it is, okay, let me search UK, United Arab Emirates, and its states is Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and all that. So Tanzania, and we have all the requests. So this is the HTML we are returning in response of AJAX request. Here is we have a AJAX request in our model. So we are accessing only the country ID, and country ID, on that country ID we are accessing its zone states, because in a database we have a country ID, we have a country and zone relationship. So it country ID is in a country zone, so we have a relationship with country. According this country ID, we are accessing its zone. So see, country ID is changed and along with its state. Okay, and in a register, so when we fetch, we have fetch our country zone. Remember that we have a country zone, country model in our constructor. So we instantiate the instructor to a country zone, and this country zone this country zone will use a zones method which is in a country zone this method, and it will fetch all the data. Then we have a data in our register, so we will store this data into a array data array with name zones, and we are returning a view with in auth zones.blade.php. So in this view we have iterate the data, and we are just sending response back to our ajax request only the html. So remember, in a register, so when the request is successful, is successful, and embed it in a state id dot with html. So the response will be in html and it will embed into a state, and the loader will be hide. So when there is data, the loader will become hide. So state is now where it is here. So this is state. So we are grabbing this ID and showing the data into select. So here all the HTML will be right in this. So hope so it makes sense. Stay tuned. So take you in other video of our continuous series of smart expense.